Hi, I'm Robin Henry. I was an OASIS intern with the Oregon Sea Grant program, and my partner organization was Bring Recycling. Bring is a nonprofit in Eugene, Oregon. We worked with businesses throughout Oregon that are food and beverage manufacturers. This includes breweries, creameries, coffee producers, food hubs, anyone that uses refrigeration in their processes to produce food or beverages. Scheduling a walkthrough where we could look at their equipment, how it was operating, how it was being used, and we would put together suggestions on how they could be more energy efficient or they could use less toxic chemicals in their refrigeration processes. We would also talk to them about how they maintain their equipment and make suggestions on better maintenance practices that could result in lower energy costs. One of the additional things we did was create a training for people local in Eugene to come to where they would learn about basic refrigeration maintenance. We went through some basic refrigeration appliances and how to keep them running smoothly, using less energy, and less likely to have a refrigeration leak. So on our walkthroughs, we were able to use a lot of tools that we got both through Bring and through the Sea Grant program. These included different ways to measure temperature. We had a temperature gun that could look at a temperature at a specific location. We had a thermal camera that would let us look at broad temperature differences for a wall or a door and help us diagnose where heat or cooling was leaking out of a system. And we had current monitors where we could look at the electricity that was being consumed by a piece of equipment to see if it was drawing more electricity than we would expect. This internship through OASIS was an amazing experience for me because it was a chance to work with Oregon food and beverage manufacturers in a way that helped them be more sustainable. I think these kinds of partnerships between public, nonprofit, and private organizations are extremely important.